My name is Ray. I'm a third-year engineering student. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a drill-powered electric bike, make your bike ride fun and easy. All we need are wood strips, old bike frame, two freewheel single-speed 16 teeth, and cranks. You can get it from old bike, or buy a new one is $20. All we need is bottom bearing cap on the left. And we also need tuna can, bolts, nuts, and the gear come from the old bike. And after grinding, you'll have a drill bit look like this. Here is 20 seconds building montage. If you are familiar with bikes, you can put it back to normal under 20 minutes. Some footages of real road test. The speed is from slow to medium to full speed. To be honest, I really enjoy this experience. You can hear the motor running tirelessly, definitely not like me when I'm doing cardio pedaling. This actual brake system here I took from the old bike frame, and the cable tightened knot on the button of the drill, so when you press the brake it will turn the drill on. And you can see that I installed two freewheels, so each one can turn separately when another one is stopping. I'm gonna turn it on without me on it, so you guys can see how the control system works and how does the drill and the pedal work separately. There are some issues. As an international student, the budget was a big problem. As you can see, the tuna can is elastic and easy to break. So I can replace that with a metal plate when I got money. Have to pay the rent. And second, the wood board and the strips can be changed also. You can see the motor has a bigger size. The reason still budget, I cannot afford $500 for 500 reverse thread bolt. So I have to use a regular bolt, and the problem is in another direction it will loosen itself when it's driving, so I have to put it in the outside, which increase the size. The problem is the bike cannot reverse because the drill cannot turn another way, so there really can't be a way to fix this. This is my whole project. If you have any questions, let me know, and see ya.